Hello and welcome back to my channel, and Happy New Year. Welcome to 2021. Let's hope we can put all of 2020 behind us, and I just hope you had a meaningful and lovely festive period as best as we could with these crazy times that we're living in. So I thought I'd come on today and firstly wish you Happy New Year and just wish you all the best for 2021. It's going to hopefully be a complete opposite of 2020, and also let you know that on my channel and my blog it's going to be a little bit different this year. 2021, I feel like we just need a bit of a change. We need to just mix things up a bit, and so I have set myself a bit of a challenge that I am going to be calling 2021 the year of desserts. Every single week, every single Sunday on my channel, on my blog, there will be a new yummy dessert recipe. I sat down and thought, well, let me just see if I can come up with 52 so I can kind of just have an idea, can I do 52 weeks of desserts? And so far my list is at 77 desserts and counting. So there are going to be loads of yummy treats this year coming to you, and it's a special year this year because my blog turns 10. It's been 10 years since I started blogging. It's my 40th birthday and my oldest son turns 13, so it's going to be a year of celebrations. We're going to just have lots of yum treats and all sorts of goodies. So I have written a blog post or page on my blog, which I'll leave down below, which I'm going to list every single week. So if you want to pin, bookmark, save that page to come back to, so when you want dessert inspiration you can click that. And at the moment I've just listed my 10 favorite desserts on there, so there's still some yummy treats to keep you going. And also subscribe to my newsletter. I'll leave a link down below to subscribe to my email newsletter, because sometimes YouTube doesn't always send through notifications and you might not remember to always come through, and also it'll just let you know what the yum treat is of the week. So if you want to sign up for that, I will leave a link to that as well down below. But yeah, over to you. Let me know if there's desserts that are your favorites you'd like me to give a try. If you've got any idea of what goals you set for yourself this year, what you want to achieve. So yeah, the desserts are going to be a mix of keto, gluten-free, and just full carb everything, which is kind of my diet. I rotate between keto, low carb, and just eating whatever. So that is what you can expect this year. So I hope you'll subscribe, join, share all of the yumminess with me. I'm really excited to start the new year off and just put 2020 behind us. So yeah, that is the short and sweet intro video today to wish you happy new year. And on Sunday you can expect the first sweet treat, which is warm chocolatey goodness. You'll have to wait to watch to see what that is all about. So Sunday there will be that video for you. But that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and comment to let me know your favorite dessert, anything you'd like me to try. I've kind of got a bit of a dessert bucket list that I'm working through of things I've always wanted to make, things that I've made loads and shared with my family, and just I keep coming up with more things that I want to try and make and do. So it's going to be a fun year and I look forward to sharing it with you. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.